Hello, welcome to this ContextCapture tutorial, Annotations, Object Detection. First, set in ContextCapture project. 2, run production and select annotation. 3, select object detection and appropriate detector before reviewing the results. We are now in the ContextCapture project. Under reconstruction, we will submit a new production. Give it the name we want. Here it will be production antennas DGN. Next, and here you will choose annotations. In the annotation type, you will choose 3D objects. We are here working on object detection. Of course, you need to choose an appropriate detector, an object detector running on images. That's what I do here. Then you will choose whether or not to use the type point to get better results, export or not as DGN, and the number of images required to create a 3D object. Submit, the engine processes the job, and after a small amount of time, you are able to review your result in 3D. As usual, you will be able to hide the splats and show the mesh if available, and you will be able to filter out your annotations. Annotations here are regular 3D box, 3D objects. You can also enable the photo panel to better review your 2D detection and as well enjoy the photo navigation tool. By enabling it, you click on any 3D box and it automatically zooms in the photo view on the right spot. You can also enjoy it in ContextCapture editor for sake, for example, of asset inventory using the classifier based on the objects that have been created out of your annotations.